Welcome to our step-by-step guide for the two-node two-way installation. Due to frequent customer requests, we're bringing you this detailed installation video. For this demonstration, we've set up a typical two-way connection. Here you can see two switch boxes controlling 4 light connections. We'll label the two switch boxes as switchbox 1 and switchbox 2. These two switches in switchbox 1 are two-way toggle switches that allow you to control the lights from two different locations. Similarly, both switches in switchbox 2 are also two-way toggle switches. Before starting, ensure you switch off the MCB. Now, let's open both switch boxes and take a look at the existing connections. In switchbox 1, you'll see 4 connected switches. These switches with 2 screw terminal are normal toggle switches, while the other switches with 3 terminal are two-way toggle switches. We will work with two-way toggle switches. To simplify, we'll label the two-way switches as S1 and S2 for switchbox 1, and S3 and S4 for switchbox 2. We will also label the screw terminal for better understanding. We will label the terminals for S1 as S1A, S1B, and S1C. Terminals for S2 as S2A, S2B, and S2C, S3 as S3A, S3B, and S3C, and S4 as S4A, S4B, and S4C. The black wire is the neutral wire, and the red wire connected to the copper line is the main wire. In the two-way toggle switches, there are 3 terminals connected as follows. S1A is connected to S3A with a red connector wire, and S1C connects to S3C with similar red connector wire. Same way, S2A connects to S4A, and S2C connects to S4C. The load connections are made through S1B and S2B in switchbox 1, while the main wire is connected to S3B and S4B in switchbox 2. Remember, the 4-node smart switch must be installed in the switchbox where the load connections are present, not the main connections. Connecting the device to switches with main connections can damage it. Now, let's unbox the 2-node smart switch. The terminals on the smart switch are labeled as N for neutral, L for live, and 1 and 2 for the load wire input. M1 and M2 are manual switch terminals. First, connect the neutral wire to the N terminal on the 2-node device. Then connect the main. Take a separate wire and connect one end to the L terminal of the 2-node device and the other end to the main copper wire running through the toggle switches. Next, remove the existing load wires from the two-way toggle switches and connect each load wire to terminal 1 and 2 on the 2-node device. Now connect toggle switches to the manual switch terminal. For this again take a separate piece of wire. Connect one end to M1 and other end to middle terminal of the two-way toggle switch that is S1B. Similarly, take one more piece of wire. Connect one end to M2 and other end to S2B. Once all the connections are complete, turn the MCB back on. When the device powers on, the red LED will begin blinking, indicating that it's in configuration mode. Now, it's time to test the connection. You should be able to operate the lights from both switch boxes seamlessly. Let's configure the smart switch with your smartphone. Ensure that your mobile phone's Bluetooth is enabled and mobile data is turned off. Connect to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Download and open the Smart Life app. Log in into the app and click Add Device. The app will search for nearby devices. Once the device is visible, click on it. Enter your Wi-Fi name and password. Then tap Next. Wait for the device to be added. Once added, select the device and then click Done. Now you can see how the device can be operated through an app. After ensuring the device operates properly, place the device and wires inside the gang box and close it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team.